You searched how to buy shares of Beacon Financial Corp, and this short guide will show the practical steps to follow. Beacon Financial Corp is a financial services company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker BBT, and this information is educational only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as the example platform to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identification document, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker BBT to find Beacon Financial Corp quickly. Make sure you select the NASDAQ listing to locate the correct stock. Open the asset page to view basic company information and the price chart for BBT. Check the profile, market, and listing details to confirm this is the correct Beacon Financial Corp share. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest. Review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute at the next open. And if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio once the order is executed. Find the example eToro link in the description if you want to follow the steps shown.